Hello guys, tonight I want to start with this beautiful picture of our planet and to show you some beautiful place that you can find around the globe. One of these is Finland. This beautiful picture was taken from the website of National Geographic, and this one as well is showing a beautiful coral reef in Papua New Guinea, and I love this picture. This other one is a picture from Alps, Europe. I had the pleasure to go in the Alps multiple times, and I'm sure that many of you watching this picture um, is dreaming one day in their life to have the possibility to visit this beautiful place. I wanted to end up with this beautiful picture of Sicily, um, from my country, and I wish you all to have the possibility to visit this beautiful place. And I hope that in the future we will all have the possibility, also the new generations, to visit this beautiful place just like they are in these pictures. But maybe they will not. And one of the reasons why they will not is plastic. Plastic is a major problem for every country in the planet and is becoming a major issue because it's not biodegradable. It is almost impossible to completely eliminate it and takes a really long time, also due to microplastics that are literally everywhere. Plastic is everywhere around us. We use it daily, mostly the mono-use one, and is a really big problem because most of it is released into the environment and is literally increasing pollution uh, every day more and more. So I want to talk with you guys about how we should reduce the use of plastic or completely eliminate plastic from our life. I did it and I'm really happy. I still didn't do it completely, but I definitely reduced the use. The first graphic that I want to show you is this one. Um, is showing some basic plastic items that we use in a daily basis, like a cup of coffee, a can, a diaper, a bottle, and a fishing line that we maybe don't use it every day, but is a great example. So these are literally simple items, but can take up to 450 years to completely eliminate that item. So we should really think before using it, and maybe we should really think if we can avoid it. I am sure that the majority of you has a glass bottle or maybe a different kind of plastic bottle, like a hard plastic bottle that you can use every day. You can use and use over and over again instead to keep purchasing single-use plastic bottle. The same for cup of coffee. You do not need to use the single-use plastic. Is literally unnecessary and is increasing daily the pollution. We might not we might not seeing the big results that is having right now, but we already have major problem due to plastic. So maybe in the next 20, 30 years, our kids will not have the possibility to visit that beautiful place. Another um, picture that I want to show you guys, that is this one, is another statistic. Just the 5% of the plastic is recycled, and we need to change our lifestyle. It's so easy. I did it, and I feel that was really easy for me. So I'm sure that every person can do it, just taking some small advice. So another thing that I want to show you now is how it is our planet right now after this major increasing of mono-use plastic. These are just some picture. This one is another incredible picture of this person in literally a mountain of plastic. Um, this was a river. I don't know how should I call this place. Is creating major problem to animals and wildlife. Is literally killing multiple species. Animal are doing nest in the plastic, are eating plastic, is becoming a major problem. And the really bad part, I'm sure that all of you saw this picture before. All of these pictures are taken from the National Geographic website, and they are incredible because the animals are adapting themselves around this new environment made of plastic. Is horrible. And I'm sure that every person can do like little steps. If every person does a little steps, we will be able to reduce this pollution. And it's really important for us to act now. Now we need to act because it's not too late. And other things that I want to show you that really made me think was this picture. Are you with the plastic or are you with the planet? You really need to think about that. It's not that hard to reduce the use of plastic. So I want to give you just some tips on how to live plastic free, or at least to reduce the use of plastic. This picture explains perfectly where did I start from. So I was a person who was using plastic all the time. I was using different products for the care of the house and myself that contain plastic in it, like every kind of scrubs that you can use, the little plastic bowl that you see, the little bowl that you see into the product, that's plastic, that's microplastic, that is actually really, really bad for our environment. So I start to use baking soda that is natural, and I realize that it cleans as much as any product for the house that you can buy. Same things, I start to use big soap for myself to wash my hair, to wash everything, and it works amazing. It's just soap. You don't really need to purchase the plastic bottle that contains it. You don't need that, and you actually pay for that when you don't have to use it. You're gonna throw it away at the moment that the product is done. Same things is for toothbrushes. I start to use a bamboo one, and the same for my hairbrushes. Was really easy to substitute, and I'm sure that this will last me long the same. I probably can go my whole life with the same kind of brush. The toothbrush, you need to change all the time. And so that's why I decided to purchase bamboo one. It's really cheap and they work amazing. Another things that I started to do was to wash with bags. So all the product that we buy have are synthetic mostly. So these microfibers are released into the washing machine and they will drain into the water. So if you use actually these bags that you can purchase. You can put all your clothes inside. They wash amazing, the same, and the plastic will be inside the bag instead to get released into the water. I stopped to use mono-use like water bottle, plastic bags. I mostly use plastic-free packaging, and it works amazing. It's really, really easy at the moment that you start paying attention to it. Exactly, this picture gives another example of it. I hope that you guys understand the importance of stop using plastic. And also another thing that I start to do, and is amazing because it's working, to have less waste. I decided to every biodegradable things that I was using in my kitchen to start freezing it, the parts that I was throwing away. And I created a little tank for my backyard, and it works amazing. You can use it for your gardening. So I want to end this video with this picture that really touched me. Are you with the planet or are you with the plastic? You guys should think about it. We need to change our life. We need to change our future. If you love the planet, you can start today to reduce the plastic use and live a life plastic free.